Di mo nagugmo eh. So na, Jumia. Di ba makakain? Pas mo. Love lang. Hello eh. Sumusalat ko love. I love you, sir. I love you, car. I love you. Gusto ba na laban, ha? Kung love lang, generic na love na perception, understanding, emotion, gamay ra eh. Dito ra. Gamay ra. So, hapit lang yun. Attitude. I like this. Your attitude determines your altitude. The way you think determines how far you can go in this life. There is what we call as good learning attitude. Take note that attitude is part of culture. Your attitude, your values, your behavior, muna yung na-comprise. So kung nag-is-good to the culture, attitude is really the thing. If you have a good learning attitude, hindot tayo. Ano nga? Ayaw tayo yung learning attitude, no? Init kayo. Thank you, Lord. Init kayo. Maugla, hinay-hay. Init kayo ng isang thing. Blue skies, good day, beautiful day. Muwan. Asalamat, Ginoo kay ni Uwan. Kaya ka na, tugnaw ka to, karubi eh. Kasi kung sabihin ka po, good learning attitude, hindi ka mag-uol. Lintay ka po. Pero